In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit JPEG image text in Canva. So start by opening up Canva in your browser and open up your design. Then next is click on your image with the text. Then click on the edit button at the top toolbar. And here under Magic Studio, look for a tool called Grab Text. Canva will then automatically scan your image for all the texts available. Now select the text you'd like to edit and grab it by pressing grab. You can also grab all text at once by pressing all, and from there you can now start editing the text inside it. Here you can choose a text style or simply type in your new content. And you can also now move it, resize it, and change fonts, colors, or alignment to match the original style. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!